Meet Neha. Neha is a recruitment professional hiring for key roles at a leading multinational firm. She works closely with business leaders like Nitin, the Chief Technology Officer, and helps him hire for his team. However, sometimes the process of hiring top talent can take months, but not because Neha isn't working hard enough on those positions. It's because what they've been looking for is very different from what's available in the market. Often, it's the salary. Most profiles available in the market are at a salary level that is much higher than what is being offered. Sometimes, it is also because of availability of candidates in a particular location, notice period, gender, or various such factors. She feels Nitin is being unreasonable in asking for talent that isn't easily available. Unfortunately, she doesn't have the confidence and political capital to give feedback and engage with business in defining the ideal candidate profiles based on the availability in the market. With Calculus, we analyze millions of profiles registered on IIM Jobs and Hirist and leverage our proprietary machine learning algorithms and models to generate real-time talent reports. It helps recruiters and business managers to sit together and study the talent landscape even before they commence the search process or even define the ideal candidate profile.
A great product called as Calculus, which is basically for talent mapping. That's given me a very good results of talent mapping the external talent pool, and that actually helps me in showcasing the talent pool, external talent pool to my leaders to make a very informed decision of the kind of talent we need to bring on board.
Calculus is currently available on IIM Jobs for management positions and Hirist.com for tech roles. But before we tell you more, let's start from the first step: candidate data collection. We do the heavy lifting by collecting valuable information from the very first moment a candidate interacts with us, the registration. Each candidate shares details such as current location, preferred location, past experience, current salary, expected salary, education, company. This information is key for any recruiter looking to hire the best talent with a quick turnaround. However, gathering this data is just the first step. The actual advantage is when the data is further synthesized and processed to define a sample set matching the role. But how do we do this? We begin with sanitizing the data. Here is a two-step process we follow. We discard any value that lies outside, much smaller or larger than most of the other values in a data set. For instance, candidates who did not fill salary information or furnished incomplete information. We only take into consideration the profiles which have been updated recently. Now that you know that we filter out anomalies and only include those entries that are complete in every aspect, let us get into the functioning of the product. You are a financial services or brokerage firm and on a lookout for an equity research analyst. But you want to identify the market rate for the position and understand how much your competitors are paying for the same role. You simply log into your Calculus account, search for your desired query, in this case, equity research and financial modeling. You can further adjust filters that include industry, function, experience, batch, etc. on the Calculus dashboard to obtain data that is closest to your specific hiring needs. For the present example, let's say that you want to pull out data on candidates that are from the financial services, banking or brokerage sector, Mumbai location, Tier 1 colleges, have a minimum of 3 years of work experience. The first thing you notice when you hit search is the sample size for your query, which in this case is 888. Based on this sample set, Calculus gives you insights about how the compensation looks on the basis of the search criteria selected. For our present keywords, equity research and financial modeling, we can extract the following information: gender distribution, mean, median, and standard deviation. This data is calculated for both the current salary as well as the expected salary of all the profiles we screen. distribution by experience, gender pay gap, the percentage change in as well as the number of jobs published under the keywords equity research and financial modeling in the past 6 months, percentage of profiles working under the same role from various geographical locations, percentage of jobs published under the keywords equity research and financial modeling in a given geographical location, percentage of qualified profiles along with the median salary from locations other than metro cities. We've recently also integrated Calculus with our database, which helps you verify all the profiles that constitute the data. For instance, let's consider the diversity distribution pie chart. Clicking on the segment that represents the percentage of female profiles will redirect you to these actual profiles on our database. Just click on the bar graph or pie chart to see the profiles that make up the sample size. Complete transparency. Calculus also lists the top 6 companies where the vast majority of candidates matching your keyword search are working at the present moment. Further clicking on any of these horizontal bars would redirect you to our database, to the actual candidate profiles working for a given company. Once you are here, you can download resumes or bookmark or save candidate profiles for your future hiring needs.
It helps me get information about what the market is paying for a certain skill set. That in turn helps me make some informed decisions and plan my hiring strategy.
Let's consider another example to leave no scope for confusion. You are a SaaS-based startup out of Bengaluru and you're looking to build a team of data scientists for the first time. You want to plan a hiring strategy for the same, but you're unsure of where to start. As a hiring manager, several questions pop into your mind. What is the current talent pool availability of data scientists in India? What is the average compensation of data scientists in India? Are you looking to hire from top colleges? You want to narrow down your search to Bengaluru and see how many people are available? Do you want to expand your recruitment search to non-metro cities? Whether their expected salary is under your budget, or do you need to make it more competitive? Whether the demand for the role of data scientist has risen or fallen in the last 6 months? With Calculus, you can obtain accurate downloadable reports with a unique combination of filters for any search query.
I'm using Calculus to do a lot of market intelligence for various skills in CS. It helps you to do competitive intelligence, competitor mapping, and it really works. If you haven't used Calculus, you should use it now.
Simple, right? That's the idea behind Calculus. To simplify your talent mapping and compensation benchmarking practices and power your hiring decisions with carefully customized real-time data. Calculus is already helping some of the largest organizations of the world thrive by redefining their talent strategy. So, why not yours? Get in touch with us today. Calculus@iimjobs.com